Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn one question. A container is in the shape of a cuboid. Cuboid shape la irukku. Adoda length வந்து x plus 2 cm, breadth x minus 1 cm, height 2x plus 3 cm. இந்த first question என்ன solve பண்ணி சொல்லிருக்காங்கன்னா find the expression for its volume. That means cuboid ஓட volume கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Second question கண்டுபிடிச்ச expressionல x equal to 4 ன்றதை we have to substitute and find the answer. First we have to solve first question, volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid formula is length into breadth into height. Here length value is x plus 2 cm, breadth value is x minus 1 cm and height value is 2x plus 3 cm. First we have to multiply length into breadth, x plus 2 into x minus 1. Length into breadth, so we have to multiply x plus 2 into x minus 1. X into x, x squared, plus into minus, minus, x into 1, we having minus x. Then plus into plus, plus 2 into x, 2x, plus into minus, minus, 2 ones are 2. Now we have to solve x squared as it is. Next minus x plus 2x, that means 2 minus 1, we having 1. 1x minus 2. Next we have to multiply into h, x squared plus x minus 2 into 2x plus 3. Same x squared into 2x, we having 2x cube. That means powers we have to add it here. Product law, so powers என்ன பண்ணனும், add பண்ணனும். 1 into 2, 2, x squared into x, இங்கே பவர்ல 1 இருக்கிறதா அர்த்தம். 2 plus 1, 3. So 2x cube. Plus into plus, plus, same 3 into x squared, 3x squared. Next plus into plus, plus 2x squared. Next x into 3, we having 3x plus 3x. Next we have to multiply 2 into this term. Minus into plus, minus 2 2s are 4x. Minus into plus, minus 6, 2 3s are 6. Next we have to solve the equation here. 2x cube. 3 plus 2 we having 5x squared plus 3 minus 4 plus minus, obviously we have to do a subtract and put it in greater number sign. So here greater number is 4, in front of 4 we having negative sign. So minus x minus 6. This is the expression for its given container cuboid container volume. That means the answer is 2x cube plus 5x squared minus 6 minus x minus 6 centimeter cube. Second question, given value we have to substitute x equal to 4. So x க்கு பதிலா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்னா 4 கொண்டு போய் சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணனும். அப்ப 2 into 4 the whole cube plus 5 into 4 the whole square minus 4. Okay. So 4 cube value is 64. So 2 into 64 plus 5 into 4 square value is 16 minus 4 minus 6. 2 64s are 180 minus both are minus means we have to add 4 plus 6 10. So minus 10. So 128 plus 80 minus 10 we having 70. So 128 plus 70 198 centimeter cube is the answer.
Next question, using the identity a plus b whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, expand and simplify. A plus 3b whole squared minus a minus 3b the whole squared. Already we know a plus b the whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A minus b whole squared equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Here a value is a and b value is 3b. So first we have to find a plus 3b the whole squared. Already we know the formula a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Instead of b we have to apply 3b. So a squared plus 2a into 3b plus 3b the whole square. So a squared plus 2 into 3 we having 6 a into b ab plus 3 squared. 3 squared means 3 into 3 9 b squared. Same way we have to solve a minus 3b the whole square. So formula is a squared minus 2ab. So 2 into a, b value is 3b plus 3b the whole square. So a squared minus 2 3s are 6 6ab plus 9b squared. The sum is a plus 3b the whole square minus a minus 3b the whole square. So we have to do a subtraction. So a squared plus 6ab plus 9b squared minus a squared minus 6ab plus 9b squared. We have to multiply the subtraction to the bracket. So a squared plus 6ab plus 9b squared minus a squared plus 6ab minus 9b squared plus a squared and minus 9a squared will be cancelled. Next 9b squared minus 9b squared is cancelled. Balance is 6ab plus 6ab. So add பண்ணனும் 6 plus 6 12. 12ab is the answer. Next question is divide 6x cube plus 9x squared minus 3x divided 3x. So in the expression 3x ஆல நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும் divide பண்ணனும். So solution you have to go by solution 6x cube plus 9x squared minus 3x divided 3x. So இந்த term இதல பாத்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே 3 டேபிள்ல உள்ளது. So x term எல்லாத்துலயுமே இருக்கு. So we have to take common என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா 3x வெளிய எடுக்கணும். So 3x into இதில் 3x வெளில எடுத்தோம்னா 3 2s are 6. So 2x squared. X term ஒன்று வெளியில் போயிடும். So இங்கே ஒன்று கட் ஆகும். So x squared plus same way here 3 3s are 9. So 3x minus 1 divided 3x. 3x and 3x will be cancelled. So the answer is 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. Next question is, a rectangular piece of land has a length of 5y plus 4 meter and a breadth of 3y minus 2 meter. First, write an expression for its area. B1, if each square meter costs rupees 1500, find the total cost of the land when y equal to 10. So first we have to solve the area of a given rectangle. So area of a rectangle formula is length into breadth. Here length value is 5y plus 4 meter, breadth value is 3y minus 2 meter. Just we have to multiply length into breadth. 5y plus 4 into 3y minus 2. Same 5y into 3y. 5 3s are 15y squared minus 5 2s are 10y plus 4 3s are 12 12y plus into minus minus 4 2s are 8. Next 5y squared plus 2y. 12 minus 10 2. So 2y minus 8 meter square. Hence, the expression for its area is 15y squared plus 2y minus 8 meter squared. Second question is y க்கு பதிலா we have to substitute 10. So 15 into 10 the whole square plus 2 into 10 minus 8. So 15, 10 square value is 100 plus 2 tens are 20 minus 8. So 15 into 100, 1500 plus 20 minus 8. So 1500 plus 20 minus 8 we have 12. So we have to add 1500 plus 12. The answer is 1512 meter square. One more question is the cost of the land of 1 square meter is 1500. So we have to find square the cost of 1512 meter square. So we have to multiply 1500 into 1512. So 1512 we have to split up 1500 plus 12 to make easy the multiplication. So already we know 15 square, that means 15 into 15 225. Here 4 zeros. So 22,50,000 for 5,500 square. Next we have to multiply 1,500 into 12. That means 12 into 15 180. So 18,000 is the answer. Next we have to add these two. We'll be getting rupees 22,68,000 is the answer. Thank you.